Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the FaderPro Masterclass. My name is Nicky Romero, and today we're going to talk about the mix. Every time I played this record from Sebastian Ingrosso and Tommy Trash called Reload, when I played that record out live, I was like, how on earth does it sound so fat live every time I played? And I found that one of the tricks that they applied was not mixing it too loud with too much bass going on. It's going to leave so much air in the end for the processing on the live stage in order to make it sound fat live. How do you mix a song? Why is a mixdown important? How do you get your mix light and tight? And how much does it really matter when you're playing your track out live? And does it matter on radio? And how does it impact Spotify? All of these subjects are really interesting to talk about. And I wanted to start off with comparing some of these tracks that I've done in the past, or tracks on my label, Protocol Recordings, and how different masters have a different outcome. Does it have a difference at all? And if there is a difference, what does the difference sound like? I want to thank you all for watching. My name is Nicky Romero, and I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.